Dear ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your boy. Welcome. Okay, you guys on the other side. Minash Foundation Panza teaches boy. Welcome to TINHLAYO-ORGANISATION. Today we are going to do question 9, so-called optimization or application of calculus. Do you get me? Question 9, according to me, it is the most simplest topic in mathematics because it needs what? It needs your understanding. As long as you understand, you won't go wrong. Do you get me? Let's read our question. The diagram below represents a printed poster rectangle ABCD is a part on which the text is printed. Here, ABCD is a part on which the text is printed. They are referring to this shaded part. Do you get me? This shaded part ABCD is what? Is 432 centimeters squared, and AD is what? Is x centimeters squared. Okay, what is the 432 represent? It is the area. Is area of what? Of ABCD. We're gonna say what? 432 centimeters squared. Do you get me? So here we go. Our AD from here to here. AD is what? Is x centimeter. Since we know that AD is x centimeter, we also know that what? BC is what? BC is also x centimeter. Why am I saying that? It's just because since it is a rectangle, we know that in a rectangle, when you have a rectangle, this side is equal to this side and this one is equal to this one. Do you get me? So here we go. If you understood, and then we're gonna say what? We're gonna continue with our statement. ABCD is 4 centimeters from the left. ABCD is 4 centimeters from the left. 4 centimeters from the left. They are referring from here to here, and then from here to here. They indicated that it is 4 centimeters. Do you get me? So and page, and then 3 centimeters from the top and bottom. You see, these are the 3 centimeters from the top and bottom. So okay, let's go and answer our question. Show that the total area of the page is given by what? This. Now, since they gave us this area, this shaded part, the area of the shaded part only, so they require us to find out the total area from here, this, for the whole page. Do you get me? Let's do it like this. Let's name this part what? We're gonna say it's part W, and then part W. Okay, let me here is W, here is what? Here is K, here is what? Here is H, here is what? Here is P. Do you get me? So yeah, now they want us to find the area of the what? WKHP. In other words, do you get me? So since we know that from A to D is what? It is X. They say from A to D it is X. And then what do we know? Since A to D is from here, this part. From A, here is A, here is what? Here is D. And then here we have X, here we have 4. We also have 4 this side. Do you get me? From A to D is X. So what about from W to K? Means that from W to K, the distance of WK will be what? Will be W plus what? Plus this A, we have 4. When I say 4 plus A plus D, we have X. And then D plus K, we have 4 again. Plus 4 again. Do you get me? It means that from W to K, it is 4 plus X plus 4. Which gives us what? 4 plus 4 is 8. Then we're going to have X plus 8. Do you get me? This is the what? The distance from WK. I hope you all understand. So let's find the distance from where? Let me use this black ink, and then let's find the distance from what? From W to P. Since we know that here we have A, and then here we have B. Do you get me? We don't know the distance of what? Of AB. That's our problem. Do you get me? We don't know the distance of AB. But since we were given the what? The area. Since we were given the area of what? Of A, B, C, D. We're going to come here and say, let me write here. When I say area of A, B, C, D is equals to what? Length multiplied by breadth. Do you get me? And then what is the area of A, B, C, D? They gave us that the area of A, B, C, D is 4, 3, 2 is equals to what is our what? What is our length from A to D? They said that the distance from A to D is what? Is X. Here, A to D is X. From here to here, it's X multiplied by what? By the breadth. We don't know the breadth, and then the distance of the breadth A to B. Do you get me? So let's find our breadth. We're gonna divide by what? Divide by X this side, and then we'll also divide by X this side. Means that our breadth, it's 4, 3, 2 all over what? All over X. Do you get me? Since it is 4, 3, 2 over all over X, and then we know that this breadth represents what? The distance of what? Of AB. Where we have what? 4. It means that the distance of AB is 4, 3, 2 all over what? All over X. Now we know the distance of what? Of AB. So let's find the distance of what? The distance of WP. Distance of WP is equals to what? Distance of WP is what? Distance of WA is WA plus what? Plus AB plus AB plus BP. Do you get me? Plus what? BP. It gives us what? WP, because we have WA plus AB plus BP. And we know that from this point to this point, it is 3 centimeter. They gave you. It is 3 centimeter. Here we have 3. And then here we have the distance. We calculated it. And then we also have what? We also have 3 because they gave you. So let's go. WA is 3 plus our AB. What is our AB? Our AB, this is the distance of AB. We're going to say 4, 3, 2 divide by what? Divide by X plus BP. Our BP is also 3. Do you get me? So here we come. Distance of WP is equals to what? 3 plus 3. We're going to have 6. Okay, we're going to 3. It will be 432 all over X. 432 all over X plus 6. Do you get me? So now we can come and calculate the what? The distance of the whole paper. I say the whole paper is represented by what? By WKPH. Do you get me? So let me use a red ink. We're gonna say area here, area of whole paper is equals to what? Length multiplied by breadth. What is our length? Our length, to say that our length is represented by what? By WK multiplied by WP. I hope you all understand. WK multiplied by what? WP. So let's go and substitute our WK. Our WK is what? Here is our WK. We calculated it. It is 8 plus X, or X plus 8. We're gonna come here and write 8 plus X, X plus 8, X plus 8. And then our WP, this is our WP, multiplied by what? By 432 all over X plus 6. Do you get me? So let's find our area. When I say X multiplied by what? Multiplied by 432 all over X, we're gonna have what? 432, because X will cancel X. And then we say X multiply by what? By 6. We're going to have what? Plus 6x. Now we'll come to 8. 8 multiplied by 432 all over x. We're going to say plus. Let me punch a calculator. 432 multiplied by 8. It is 3456. Plus what? 3456 all over what? All over x. Then you say 8. At first we say 8 multiplied by this. We got this. Now we say 8 multiplied by 6. We know that 8 multiplied by 6 is what? Is 48. So we are going to write what? Plus 48. So now this is our error. Let's collect the like terms and see whether we find the correct answer. We found the correct answer or not. We're going to start with what? 3, 4, 5, 6 all over what? All over x plus 6x plus 432 multiply you plus 48. 432 plus 48, we got 480. We're going to say what? Plus 480. This is our answer. Let's go and compare it with that one that they gave us and see whether it is the same. Yeah, it is the same. Do you see it? So now 9.2 they say determine the value of x such that the total area of the page is minimum. It is a minimum. Do you get me? Even if you didn't manage to calculate this or to get this, come here when they say determine the value of x such that the area of the page is minimum. Come here. When you see minimum, you're gonna do what? You're gonna derive this first. You're gonna derive your a of x, and then you let your a of x, the derivation of a of x was to 0, and then you solve. Let's go and derive. It is 9.2. Let's answer 9.2. 9.2. We are deriving. It was a of x derivation, and then the derivation of this, it will be what? Negative what? 3, 4, 5, 6 x to the power minus 2. Do you get me? Maybe someone is confused. This thing here, you must know that 3, 4, 5, 6 all over x, it is the same as what? 3, 4, 5, 6 multiplied by x to the power minus 1. So I said minus 1 multiplied by this. We get negative 3, 4, 5, 6. And then here we're gonna what? We're gonna subtract 1. It will be minus 2. Do you get me, guys? So let's derive this. I'm gonna say plus what? Plus 6. And then your a of x, derivative of a of x equals to what? Is equal to 0. And then here we're gonna put 0 equals to what? Negative 3, 4, 5, 6 x the power minus 2 plus 6. Do you get me? And then we're gonna transpose this to the other side. It will be positive 3, 4, 5, 6 x minus 2 is equal to what? Is equal to 6. Do you get me? So let me come here. Since we have what? 3, 4, 5, 6 x to the power minus 2, we're going to divide by what? By 3, 4, 5, 6 is equals to 6. Divide by what? 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope you all understand. And then here we come. We are left with what? X to the power negative 2 is equal to what? 6 all over what? 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we're gonna multiply by what? Multiply by negative 1 all over 2. And then we also multiply by what? Negative 1 all over 2. Let's punch our calculator and find that our x is what? 6. Okay, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the power negative 1 over 2. Our x is 24 units when we minimize it. Do you get me? So guys, when you see minimum, just put your first derivative and do this. I hope you all understand, and please don't forget to subscribe. Never stop moving forward. If you have a question, just put it on the comment section or send it to this number 071 55 20 691. Any question, as long as it is mathematics, physical science, or accounting grade 12. Do you get me? But mathematics from grade 10 to grade 12, Do you get me? Fiscal science from grade 10 to grade 12. In accounting, grade 10 to grade 12. Danko, please don't forget to subscribe,